Here's how you can make a Nashville soft shell crab sandwich.
It's the size of my head. Oh, you hear that?
First step, let's slice the face off the crab and dip it in buttermilk. Then coat it in a secret recipe of flour and spices, then deep fry until golden brown. Then coat it in another secret recipe of hot oil, then dust it with another secret spice mix recipe. Sorry, I tried getting Chef Aleem to share the ingredients, but the only thing he is willing to share with us is this wicked sauce.
We're gonna make a remoulade, mayo, a little onion, capers, green onions, your favorite hot sauce, chopped parsley, chopped chives, anchovy paste, whole mustard, Dijon mustard, a little bit of horseradish. Now ketchup.
But do you like ketchup? That's the main
I love ketchup.
Man, I thought you were cool.
Old Bay, baby. Nashville dust.
What's inside of the Nashville dust?
I can't tell you. Everybody has their own special mix. 13 years it took me. Black pepper. All right, let's mix it up. Lemon zest and juice.
Oh, that's like an upgraded tartar sauce. Finally, we assemble with the brioche bun, cheese, pickles, coleslaw, fried crab, and this wicked sauce, which I guess was the only thing we were able to get out of him. I think we'll just have to guess what was in his flour, oil, and spice mixtures.
Whoa. Why are we serving this?
Yeah, that sauce makes it, okay, out of 10, what is this?
10 out of 10, man.
This is like a 9.3 out of 10, this is good.